Hi everyone, Beth here, and we're working on the download and installation of Sage 50 2023. Listen, I'm going to apologize right now for the quality of this video. In advance, I don't think the quality is going to be great. I think the instruction will be spot on, but the quality and how it's set up is not going to be great. And the reason being is I'm literally going through this for the first time to install it on my personal computer so that I can show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so I might choke a little bit on the steps or have to stop the video partway through, but bear with me. It will be accurate. It just might not be pretty. All right, so let's try this together. Okay, so we want to click on Sage 50 2023. And I have printed off my serial number and my key code that I received in an email. Okay, so now this step here, my personal computer likes to open the file manager, whereas my work computer just kind of puts a little download icon up on the right-hand side of the screen, which you would have seen in the first video. So yours might do one, it might do the other. Okay, or it might not do either. It might just do something similar to that computer. Okay, so it's asking me right now if I want to save this in the OneDrive. So I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now if you saw here, it kind of shot up to the top to this arrow, and this is where the download is in the process of being. And if I click on it and hold it, you can see it doing it. But if I let go, oh, it stayed this time. Okay. So this is the recent download history, and it's downloading Sage 50 2023 for me. And it's saying 2 to 3 minutes left. Hopefully it's quick. Um, we'll just sit here and wait. We could do the Jeopardy song, you know, the do, 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 do. Sorry. uh, 2 minutes left. Half done. You can see the megabytes as they're getting downloaded. It's funny when there's silence, you want to talk, right? So it's me being a teacher that I feel like I need to fill the silence. But 1 minute left, almost there. And depending on the power of your personal computer, it could go quicker, it could go slower. It just all depends on so much. It's ahead of time, it's hard to predict. Oh, it shot up to 2 minutes left. Interesting. Well, at least as you're seeing it live happening on my screen, it won't surprise you if yours does something like go from 1 minute left and then go up to 7 minutes and then shoot back down to like 30 seconds. As you can probably tell with my course so far, I do create a lot of videos. I find videos help so much, and it helps to um, helps each student with their preferred learning style. I usually provide a written document, and then I also provide a video. Okay. Okay, so we've got two options. Oh, here it did this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Absolutely. So it's thinking, but you can see down here in the bottom, it's bouncing as well. So we're going to click on that to open that. And it's saying it wants to save it to my C drive, which I'm okay with. So I'm going to click next. You can see there Sage 50 Canadian Edition, Sage 50 Canadian Edition installation, install Sage 50. So we want to click on install Sage 50, opening the installation files, English, definitely English, and I'm going to say install. The installation package requires a reboot. Click yes to restart or no if you want to do it later. I'm going to do